What if you could foresee employee turnover, enhance engagement, and proactively improve retention simply by harnessing your team's expertise? In today's competitive landscape, retaining top talent is crucial for organizations across all industries. Yet traditional predictive models often fall short when historical data is limited. Using the power of Bayesian networks, our unique approach taps directly into your organization's internal knowledge. By interviewing your experienced professionals, we craft a sophisticated predictive model that mirrors expert-level decision-making. Unlike conventional data-driven approaches, Bayesian networks can deliver reliable insights from day one, even with incomplete or limited initial data. This isn't theoretical. We've successfully deployed this approach for our client, building a tailored AI model that accurately predicted lawyer turnover, assessed engagement levels, and delivered actionable retention strategies. Real-time predictions allowed proactive interventions, resolving challenges before they impacted productivity and morale. The potential applications go far beyond the legal sector. Healthcare providers can predict patient readmission risks. Manufacturers can identify equipment failures before they occur. And retailers can optimize inventory management even with minimal historical data. Our Bayesian solution adapts seamlessly, empowering decision-makers across industries to leverage their expertise effectively. Whether you are looking to strengthen team cohesion, enhance operational efficiency, or safeguard your competitive advantage, Edvantis helps you transform internal expertise into actionable intelligence. Ready to unlock the full potential of your organization's insights? Let's collaborate.